Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options, and here at the top we've got two options which are connected with the networking. We've got mobile network settings, and we can reset also Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option, tap on reset settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset settings and they will be reset. The same situation with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, simply tap on reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.